What's different about our dual retinol technology? Let's find out! Hello, I'm Parat, Skin Research Engineer at Lancaster Monaco. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce Lancaster's new groundbreaking skincare technology, Golden Lift. Quite simply, the technology. The combination of our dual retinol technology with our new generation dipeptide complex brings optimal skin lifting and firming. Our exclusive cationic liposome delivers pure retinol directly to the heart of skin cells without causing irritation. This precise action allows us to use lower doses, making it safe for daily application, suitable for sensitive skin, and effective even for first-time users. The combination of encapsulated retinol and vectorized retinal further boosts collagen production and promotes high-quality collagen fiber synthesis. The dipeptide complex doesn't just prevent elastin degradation, it really stimulates the synthesis of new high-quality elastic fibers. The combination of both technologies helps improve skin elasticity and firmness. Our in vitro studies show a 50% increase in collagen production and a 158% increase in elastin production. Our clinical and consumer test studies allow to see tightening and lifting of facial contours in 2 weeks, sculpting of the jawline, plumping of cheekbones, lifting of nasolabial folds, and the fading of dark spots over time. Golden Lift represents Lancaster's new skincare era, where performing formulas are not only efficient in visibly reducing the signs of photoaging, but also suitable for sensitive skin.